Hi everyone, this is Teka here and welcome back to the Python series. So first of all, would like to say you today we will discussing on the modules, how we can use the modules and all here in Python. So before that, I just would like to say we have already have another video on that modules. So I'll do one thing. I'll just show you how we can import the modules, how and that module will be having different functions. So how we can call and use those functions. Later we will tell you how we can create our own modules and how we can use them in program. Okay, so first of all, what we do here, we know already, like we have import method. Okay, we have import math. So here I will import is a keyword and math is a module. Here you can see one thing, see math imported but not used. So what I will do is first I will executed this one. Okay, successfully executed. Now what I will do here, I will call, I will write like math dot. See, we have so many methods here. And one more thing I would like to say, if you want to check how many methods I have, like I'll write like dir of, write the math here, write like this math and use like this. See, we can see here we have a number of methods here. So what I will do here, I will use this square method now, right? So how I will use the square method, I will write like this also. I can write print, then I will write here math dot sqrt. Sqrt, I got it. Sqrt of what? I'll write like 36. Okay, so I'll write here print out. I got 6 in the output. You can see square root of this much. If I just need a square root of 16, what I will do is write it like this. I will write it and I will check it. Square root of 16 is 4. I got it. That means what we have done here, math is a module, and here we are calling this sqrt is a function in that module. Okay, so now what I will do here, I'll show you some techniques how to create our own methods and how we can use use those methods in a program. So first of all, see, we can see how to create the own modules in Python. So you see here my program name is basics.py. If you want to call, see here I have here method name is like this is math. So this module is inbuilt, it's inbuilt module in Python, like math.py. Okay, like this only I want to create one module from my side. So anything name we can give, we should save this name with the help. Okay, you just need to save with the extension 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 with .py file. .py, we should know, we should save with this .py file only. Okay, so here what I will do, I have given my basic.py I have given. Okay, so before that I'll do one thing, I'll write some methods in this basic.py. So I'll show you some methods. Like I'll write, first of all write like def, and then I'll write greetings. Anything you can write it. So I'll write some greetings and it takes some names like greetings. Okay, but and then I'll write here, I'll write like print, and here I will write, okay, like this, like hello and welcome to the, like this much I'll write it, and I'll pass here plus name, because I'll show you like why I'm giving this star and all. I'll show you here. So now this method I've written it, right? So this is method I've written. Now I will show you one thing. If I want to use that method, what I will do, I'll write like here import, and what is my here basics is there. So basics.py, right? So here what I will do, I'll write here basics, only just basics. Okay, write here basics. If I'll execute this basics, you can see same thing. You can see basics imported but not used. Okay, so if I'll execute this means see successfully executed. Okay, that means it's done. Now one more thing I will do here, I'll write like here basics. You can see basics dot greetings. That means it contains some method like greetings. Okay, greetings, right? Now I'll pass a greetings contain need a arguments like name. So here I will pass some like Python studio like this. Okay, now I will call this method. Okay, what I will do. Okay, one second. Okay, like this. See, we can see the output. Hello and welcome to the Python coding studio. This link. If I want to use again my this greetings method, anything I will call the basics dot. Again I will call the greetings. Then I will pass here India. Anything I can pass it. I'll write that India. Okay. Hello and welcome to the India. Like this I got it. Right. One more thing I would like to say. For example, even I want to create some more methods like here. Okay, this time we will create like some addition method add of which is two numbers x comma y. Yeah. Okay, then I will write here like infinite statement. Okay, we will write like the addition of two numbers. So I'll write here like addition of two numbers. Then I will write just bracket. I can write x plus y. So before that, I'll do one thing. I'll write some like this. Like this. So I'll write here addition. Then we will go for subtraction. Then we will go for multiplication as well. Then we will go for division as well. Okay, so here I will pass here symbol here. Then I will pass here subtraction here. Sub. Then here I'll pass multiplication and star. Then I'll pass here multiplication. Then here I'll pass div. Then I'll pass here division. Okay, this many methods I have. What I will do, we'll just save this one. Okay, now I will call this method. So you can see here. See, I will call like just basics dot basics dot. See, as soon as I give the dot, you can see that we have addition method, we have division method, we have null method, sub method. First, I will have this addition method. So this addition, I write two numbers like x comma y. So I'll go 10 comma 20. Okay, I'll go this about 30 addition. If I'll call this addition dot sub method. Okay, I'll call like this 20 comma 10. So 20 comma 10, we got the subtraction is 20. Again, 6, 6 decimal. Okay, in decimal also you can see 2 to 5. So I can go 2 into 5. I got the output is 10. Okay, then again I will go for basics. We have right div. So I'll call that div also. In the div I'll take 20 comma 5. So in the div also I can see I got the output is 4. So now what we will do here, like to show you here. If you want to get the shortcut name, for example, if you have like uh, if I have like import basics, we have. If I want to give the other name, other name, let's see. Then what I will do it here. Let's see if you want to do what I will do here. Import basics as and put it like PS. See, import is a keyword. Okay, he said this is module name, edge is a keyword, and this is a last name or shortcut name you can see. So here one more thing, if I want to call here bs dot, now if I write bs dot, the same methods we have. If I'll use the greetings now, use the greetings, then I will write here some name. Okay, I'll write here some math like name, that means like India, India, anything you can give it. First I will call this one successfully, then I will call this one. Welcome to the India Gate. Like this, we can call this any method. Okay. One more thing, even though we will just write it here. Okay. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. Add also I will do add. In that also I'll do some 20 comma 50. Here also we'll see it addition. The addition is 70. We got it. So now one more thing I would like to say, sometimes no, for example, if I'll call like this, call specific specific functions itself, only functions only. And what I will do is specific functions. For example, we have like basics. If I write like from basics, then I want to import only the like div methods, only the div methods. Then what happens? See, from basics in the sense, this is my module. So from this module, what I'm doing, I'm importing just this particular method only, right? What I will do here, I will just I just call like now no need to write like basics dot like this. I don't need to write because already I have just imported this particular method only. So directly I can write here like this also. Like in this print statement also you can write like div dot div, and div, in that div you just pass x comma y. So I'll pass like here 30 comma y. I'll pass it. First I will call this one, then I will call this method also. Like this we can see. And sorry, if I not use this print, then it will be like this. And then also get this division is 6. I can get output is 6. Okay, like this also we can use the particular methods we can use. Okay, okay, and like this you can create your own methods. Just we should know like basics.py. That means you can give anything. You can give like arithmetic.py, anything as per your as per your project. You can go and just change the name, and you can create your own methods, like how we have created here different methods. So you can create your own, any method you can create it. For example, now I'll create one more method. I'll show you if I want to create one method for square also. Okay, I'll do if square. Okay, if square, then if I'll create a square for x, okay, then I'll return, okay, what it returns, like print square, return is the square of x x, like this. Okay, now if I'll call this method square also, okay, I'll write here, okay, I'll call here basics dot, we have some method like square c, right? Square, then I will call that method is like 4 square. Okay, whatever, I'll write like this. So we can see the square of 16. Like this we can, you can create any methods. What is the use the model means, you just, what we need to do, you can like this. And one more thing, as you see in math, here also we can check like dir of, you can write here like basics. You can see how many methods we have created here. See, you can see how many methods are created. We have add method, division method, greetings method, mul method, square method, sub method. Like this we have, like this, whatever the methods we have created here, all the methods will be displaying here only. Okay, so this much only in addition. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.